We believe we are unique in feeling pain, yet new evidence suggests lobsters might share this complex inner world. Today, we explore the shocking science behind crustacean emotions. For centuries, lobsters were viewed as mere seafood, but a 2021 UK review revealed substantial evidence that they are sentient beings capable of subjective experience and feeling. Scientists argue that the distinction between emotions and feelings is less relevant for lobsters than for humans, as we use language to verify our own internal states. Most experts agree these creatures experience a whole suite of emotions, ranging from joy to distress, similar to how we perceive the emotional depth of dogs. Despite overwhelming scientific consensus on their sentience, federal law in the United States still leaves crustaceans unprotected against being boiled alive in restaurants. This ethical gap forces us to ask a profound question. Are lobsters merely food items or sentient individuals suffering in silence while we consume them? The debate continues with strong evidence suggesting pain exists, challenging our moral framework and demanding a re-evaluation of how we treat these ancient creatures. The science is clear, but the laws lag behind. Do you believe lobsters feel pain? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into animal sentience.